Here we are, Delicate Arch. It is Tuesday. It's about 9 in the a.m. About 67 degrees out. Cloudy. The place is fairly crowded. And we're going to hike out to Delicate Arch. It's approximately a 3-mile round trip hike. 500 feet of elevation. Rick's cleaning his boots for some unknown reason.
Tell you to.
Because it tells you to clean your boots. And here we go. Delicate Arch. Yeah, I got some water. It rained last night in this region, which is the first rain we've seen in probably a month and a half. It rained pretty good. It rained a good portion of the night. And they actually have some water. You don't see that very often out here.
We don't live in the desert because we don't take road yet.
The Stanley Homestead. They moved to Ohio in 1910. Alright, so we're heading up to the petroglyphs here on the Delicate Arch pathway.
They were pretty good artists.
They were pretty good artists. They made sure the horse had 4 legs. And hoping you can see those. I'll see if I can zoom in some. Petroglyphs. So we're probably, what do you think? We're probably 2/3 of the way there?
Halfway from the parking lot, probably.
Yeah. And we still have to go
About a quarter
up to there. We're alive. We're doing well. We haven't passed out yet. It's probably up to maybe 68 degrees now. Good thing we got overcast because you probably hear the wind. It feels pretty awesome on the body right now. Headed to Delicate Arch. And up we go. We'll get ready to go through a series of several switchbacks. Start gaining some elevation. Alright, so we're getting there. We're thinking we're just a couple minutes. We think we're right up around that rock.
We're coming in from that way, so I don't know which way to go.
Just keep following where we're going. We said hi to this Japanese guy here on the right, and he clearly didn't understand a lick of English. But he did smile.
He's pointing.
He says we go this way.
I think he said hello before.
He tried to say hello.
I just stood in the middle.
All right.
Well, maybe on.
We must be getting really close now.
knows what he's doing around here. Oh, yeah, definitely. That's a good idea. Yeah, we just start to.
I was just going up with the lane of least resistance once I got up there. Jackass coming down the hill on the wrong side of the road.
Yeah. Well, them kids, they didn't want anything to do with being by that edge.
I understand that.
Well, we made it. Delicate Arch. Arches
There's
National
a
Park.
parking lot down there.
And I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but way down there is the parking lot. We're about a mile and a half up in here. Wasn't a horrible hike. It's getting there for a couple of old farts like us. But it's very beautiful. Now we'll try to get a hit on the mountains back in there. Get a picture with these mountains showing through the arch.